Welcome to Rebelway, an epic online school for VFX training. Our classes are in-depth, exciting, and taught by some of the biggest names in online effects. This video will show you how to use our exclusive learning platform. After you purchase a course, you will be directed to a welcome page. Click the link to access rebelway.academy. This is where you will find your training for your courses. I recommend bookmarking this site for quick access in the future. Click My Workshops to access your courses. From here, you will be able to see all of your enrolled courses. You will have instant access to stream week 1 as soon as you purchase your course. The rest of your content will be released on a week-to-week basis once the course officially starts. If you're unsure when the course will be released, just click the Schedule tab at the top of the navigation. Here, you'll find a detailed schedule of the course release dates. In addition to the course, you'll have access to a private Discord channel featuring effects artists from around the world. To join, select the Discord button under your course's main page. Inside Discord, you'll find channels for jobs, references, inspiration, and more. You'll also find a private chat group for your specific course. In the channel, you can ask questions about your training, upload videos, share your work in progress, and chat with fellow classmates. Discord is the fastest way to get in contact with your instructors, TAs, and fellow students. As you finish your weekly assignments, you can upload them as a zip file in the learning platform. Just navigate to the bottom of each week and upload your file. You should upload all of the files necessary to review your project. The assignments are limited to 100 megabytes. So if you need to upload a file that is larger, simply upload to an online file sharing site and upload a text doc with a link to download. Make sure that the text doc is zipped up. You will receive feedback from your instructor directly in the learning platform. If you fall behind, don't worry. You have until a week after the course ends to submit all of your assignments. Once you submit all of your weekly assignments, you will earn a completion certificate for the course. You'll find your completion certificate at the top of your workshop, or by navigating to your profile and selecting My Certificates. As a bonus, you'll also receive points for every purchase you make here at Rebelway. Points can be redeemed as discounts off future courses. To use your points, just proceed to checkout with any course and select Apply Discount at the top of the checkout window. If you're ever curious about the number of points in your account, just click on your profile and select My Points. If you need to make a payment for your course, you can navigate to your account and select the Pay button. Your course is set to auto-pay by default, but if you want to pay early or with a different payment option, you can select it at any time. If you ever have any questions about the learning platform or your account, you can get help by emailing info@rebelway.net. Our team is here to help you with any issue that may arise. Alright, that's all you need to know. Welcome to the most exciting online VFX school in the world. Now what are you waiting for? Get out there and create something awesome.